Righto guys, are you looking for a 2-inch lifted suspension setup without spending thousands of dollars on it? Well, this is Budget 4x4 Live, so I'm going to show you exactly what I've done on a budget. Well, there you go guys, a 2-inch suspension lift for a fraction of the price. Now remember, if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and be notified as soon as the next episode drops. Have a good one. Hey guys, welcome back to another week's episode of the Budget 4x4 Live. Today That's way too fast. Are you